जब ये लड़ाई शुरू थी इंडिया में लोगों ने धरना देने शुरू कर दिया, उसका क्या लॉजिक रहा?
सुन्नी शियाज हियर, तो शियाज का रिलीजियस हेड इज द आयतोल्ला. World over, he is the religious head of Shias is the Ayatollah Khomeini, who has been assassinated. Latest, the Mojtaba Ayatollah, he has also been attacked. He is also injured, and it has been rumored that he is disfigured also. I mean, we don't know, but that is the message coming out. Yes. So, वो भी he is also under attack.
सर एक क्वेश्चन रेज हो रहा था कि
that is why this protest happening.
इंडियन गवर्नमेंट तो हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट कह रही है देयर इज नो शॉर्टेज ऑफ एलपीजी और पेट्रोलियम और एनीथिंग एल्स.
Because we are trying to get through.
It is just the
शॉर्टेज तो है, अभी देखो लाइंस लग रही हैं. वॉच इन दी टीवी देयर.
LPG maybe is going to be an issue. Oil maybe.
Oil may not be so much.
We may get from Russia. Because they don't have to use straight away.
We also have what 2 months का stock we have अभी Russia से.
I believe जो LPG है उसको स्टोर करना मुश्किल है. So because of that there'll be issues of LPG but not of oil really.
But India has been requesting Iran, because we are in friendly terms, to get our ships come inside through Strait of Hormuz, and they allow 2 ships only.
Yeah, 2, 4. But see, now with the facility is stuck,
I know.
and they cannot restart for 4-5 months.
They
That is the
can
issue.
allow Indian ships to come.
नहीं बट जो तेल बना के निकाल रहे हैं, एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, वही नहीं निकाल पा रहे तो भेजेंगे क्या?
120 ships are pending.
अरे
वो
सर
पकड़ा है उधर.
उससे कितना
जो
फर्क
खड़ा वो आ
पड़ेगा?
जाएंगे.
जो खड़ा है वो तो आ ही जाएगा, वो आ
नहीं
जाएगा.
आ रहा है ना.
नहीं वो आ जाएगा, बट उससे कितना फर्क पड़ेगा? For many months now,
10-15 दिन
if they cannot start operating their facility,
1 week के लिए तो मिल जाएगा.
1 week के बाद तो शॉर्टेज तो होने वाली है.
Difficulty 4 to 5 months.
या
तो सर अभी इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम मान के चलें कि वहां पे हमारे 15-20 शिप और हैं, वो अगर फुली लोडेड हैं, वो
120 ships है हमारा.
120 है.
They are supposed to be, they have been in negotiation, and there is a report that they may allow us to come through also. अगर 2 शिप आ गए तो बाकी भी भेजना चाहिए.
In fact, there is a bill being passed in Iranian parliament that they're going to be from now on impose a tax on any ship that is passing through the Strait of Hormuz. So this they are saying is a new normal. Where they're going to tax every ship that comes out of that place. But see, if 120 also come now, maybe immediate shortage can be resolved. But then जो वहां पे facilities destroy हो गई, जिनको दोबारा recuperate करने के लिए जो बंदी हो गया, ठप हो गया वहां पे GCC countries में, वो उसको शुरू करने में टाइम लगेगा. So once it starts, उसके बाद to build up to the capacity of what was required, it will take some time. So the shortage will remain for maybe a year, even if it
could be
stops
longer.
early.
See, like he says, the Iran wants to start taxes, but it will be contested. Iran की भी नेवी की काफी सारी ships रुकी हैं. Now the European countries also have agreed to send their ships to ensure Strait of Hormuz is cleared, provided they stop that thing. So,
Actually,
it's a very mucky thing.
एक क्वेश्चन अभी रेज हुआ था कि रिसेंटली जब ये डिस्कशन चल रहा था सारा ईरान के साथ इंडिया का कि भी किसी टर्म पे आके हमारे शिप्स को फ्री कर दे, उस टाइम एक बात आई थी कि भी इंडिया ने ईरान का कोई शिप पकड़ा हुआ था जिसमें वो कहते हैं उसको फ्री कर दो, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. वो क्या सिचुएशन?
वो सिचुएशन वो नहीं था. there was a kind of exhibition here of international navy.
Okay.
So that after that 3 ships were going back. So usme there is a ship called Dena. That ship was attacked by US in the international waters, not in our waters. But we have been the host, and अपने guest country है, वो वापस जा रहा है, उनको ठोक दिया रास्ते में. So naturally it's an insult to us. But Trump doesn't care about all these things, no? Though we are supposed to be friendly country, they should not have attacked that ship. And the ship is almost gone, and a lot of people died, more than hundreds, and few have been rescued by Sri Lanka. That is the case you are talking about.
Right, exactly.
2 ships have been given anchored. We have given asylum for another 2 ships also.